Hello students, in this tutorial you will learn how to log into your email. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to boot up your computer and find the School District of Bondwell's website. Just a reminder, Bondwell is spelled B-O-N-D-U-E-L. Once you see this website, you are in the right spot. And notice that right here the district tab is highlighted. See the difference? Right now I'm highlighting high school, but I want to go back to district. You'll see Mr. Rao all by himself on this tab. If you go down just about halfway, there's student resources. Across from student resources is Office 365 login. Select that. Once you get here, this is where you have to put in your username, but there's more to it. So take a moment and start with just your username and then let your cursor stand there for a moment after your username. After your username is in, you need to do the @ symbol, which is holding down the shift key while touching the number 2 on your keyboard. And then you need to say Bonduel, B-O-N-D-U-E-L .k12.wi.us. And then choose enter or sign in. Either one will work. I'll choose enter. And you can see that it's redirecting you. And now what you need to do is just put in your username and password. Right now I have this email zoomed in. You may get the Meet Focused inbox. If so, say got it. And then you'll see some tiles up here. Just a reminder that these tiles are how you can get to other things that you have access to. So for instance, Discovery Education is found with this one. Okay. Go back to mail. To start new mail, I'm now going to go onto my email site. I had to do it from a kid's perspective because your logon process is just a little different than a teacher's. To start a new email, you're going to choose this new button, select that, and then you have something called to. So this is who it's going to, and I'm going to type this to Mrs. Woodkey. Now, emails are professional. I can't just bug people and say hi or send a bunch of emojis. Those things are like Snapchat and some things that you'll maybe do when you're older, but it's not emails. Emails are more professional. So the subject for her, and subject line is what you're mainly talking about. Showing your students how to use email. You know what? I think I should also tell Mrs. Hertzfeld, because she has third graders too. Hello, your students learned email in second grade. I want to review that as I've noticed some students struggled, with getting back into their email accounts. This email is to show the students in a tutorial how to start and send emails. Thank you. Then I already have my name on it. And then I can send it one of two ways. I can send it up here, or I can send it down here. Does it matter? No. Do you notice I don't have emojis on there? There's no reason for an emoji. I don't have one of these things. Hello! That's not professional either. You shouldn't do that. Email has a different feel about it than a text message. They're different, okay? These need to be more professional. So you're going to choose send. I know the first thing you're going to notice after you're sending an email is you want to know how to do this up here, and I'll show you. Now you have an assignment. You have to choose new. You have to find Mrs. Sorley. You look till you see my picture. Your subject is, you're going to tell me which class you're in, so either your Hertzfeld, or maybe you'll put Woodkey, right? Depending who you are. And you need to say hello, and notice that it's not hello or hi with a bunch of emojis. And then you need to put your name, so whatever it is, and send it to me. And that tells me that you understand how to send an email. Okay? If you ever send an email that has bad pictures, bad words, a threat, it's really serious because your digital footprints is easy to find. You may think you have it deleted, like I'm going to choose discard here and think that's gone. Maybe go notice my deleted items and then, delete a delete and you think it's gone. There are a whole lot of easy ways that people can find what was sent. So I know that you're curious about how to change the theme up here. So right here you have a gear. Sometimes it's on this side, whatever. Look for it, look for the gear. And you are going to scroll down till you see the word theme. When you see theme, it has a whole bunch of choices here. So if you want to just try it on, you click on it and you can see what it looks like. But if you really decide, hey, I like that, I want to save that, whatever you decide, then here's the key. Are you listening? Because you're going to say, mine doesn't work. It's because you have to scroll down and hit save. And then you have your theme saved. Go ahead and do that.